The jet pilot was created at Stephen Crane's Luau Restaurant in Beverly Hills. The restaurant poached some of Donn Beachcomber's bartenders, and as a result, some of the menu items bore a very close resemblance to Donn's drinks.
What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. My name's Rusty Bartender, and on this channel we're making every single cocktail in this book right here, Steve the Bartender's cocktail book. Today's cocktail is the Jet Pilot, a Tiki drink. And if we're sticking to the recipe, which is in this book, we're using 3 different types of rums: a Jamaican rum, a Puerto Rican rum, and also a Demerara rum. But it does say in the book, if you don't have any of those, try using just 2 varieties of rum, using a light rum and a dark rum. So with that being said, let's get stuck right into this drink. So into our blender, we're gonna flash blend this one. So we're gonna go 1 ounce of our Jamaican rum first, and 3/4 of an ounce of our Puerto Rican rum. Puerto Rican rum is, I think, kind of a drier sort of style rum. You probably know more than me because rums are not my strong point. Let me know in the comments. Then 3/4 of an ounce of our Demerara rum. Then we're gonna go 1/2 ounce of falernum, which is gonna give us like spices and cloves, cinnamon, delicious stuff going on. Then we're gonna go 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. And then 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then 1/2 ounce of white grapefruit juice. I couldn't find any white grapefruits in the supermarket, so I couldn't get it fresh, so I'm just using a carton. We're then gonna go 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And then the recipe calls for 1 dash of Herb Saint or Pernod, but I don't have a dasher bottle handy, so I'm just going to put the slightest little bit on the end of my spoon, and that's our dash of Pernod. We're gonna add some crushed ice to our blender. And we're gonna flash blend for a couple of seconds. Just gonna dump this straight into the glass and then top up with some crushed ice if needed. Garnish for this one is a lime wheel and a maraschino cherry. My garnish totally sank, so I had to retrieve it with a little pick at a straw. And there you go, folks. This is the Jet Pilot. Let's get a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Ooh. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. It's actually a very balanced tiki drink. Maybe because the Puerto Rican rum is dry, I don't know. But yeah, you get the cinnamon and the cloves coming through. A little bit of star anise from the Pernod. That's a little banger of a drink. Give us one try, folks. Jet Pilot.